Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a stop in Google Maps. Head to Google Maps first of all. Open the website. After opening the website in Google Maps, first of all, let's plug our directions. Let's choose the starting point and let's choose, for example, an endpoint. After doing this, you're going to be prompted with this here. To add a stop, first of all, let's choose a method of transportation right here. After choosing a method of transportation, you will be able to add stop by click add destination. Here will help you by choosing another destination, say this for example, and then actually kind of organizing where you would like to head. You can add to about 9 stops, I believe. So let's add just some random locations right here. And yeah, I believe you'll be able to add something like 9 stops. But that's basically it, guys. How to add stop in Google Maps.